Are you finding it difficult to climb a flight of stairs or feeling breathless during your normal walks? Well, this could be a sign of anemia. Hello, I'm Dr. Srilekha, consultant physician on MFIN, and today I'll be discussing with you the causes of anemia, what could be the symptoms, and how to deal with them. Anemia is a condition in which the number of red blood cells or the hemoglobin concentration within them is lower than the normal. Our body has cells called red blood cells, which are like trucks, and they have hemoglobin carrying oxygen with them. This is something like barrels carrying fuel. Let's say the number of barrels are reduced or the number of trucks are reduced. Either way, less fuel is delivered, meaning less oxygen is delivered to the organs, leading to anemia. So, what are the causes of anemia? There could be a defect in production of RBCs. For example, nutrient deficiency. Our body needs certain nutrients like iron, vitamin B12 and folic acid to synthesize normal red blood cells. If the body becomes deficient in these nutrients, we'll end up with anemia. If there is a defect in hemoglobin, either structurally or functionally, this also leads to anemia. For example, genetic disorders like sickle cell anemia or thalassemia. If there is a defect at the production site itself, that is the bone marrow, this leads to a condition called aplastic anemia. And anemia can also be caused in certain chronic disorders or long-term disorders like chronic kidney disease and hypothyroidism. Anemia can also be caused due to excessive blood loss. For example, in females who are bleeding excessively during every menstrual cycle, or in persons who have stomach ulcers or piles. Remember, temporarily one can become anemic after surgery or trauma due to the blood loss. Anemia can also be caused due to excessive destruction of red blood cells, that is, in infections like malaria or in autoimmune disorders. More than 50% of women in reproductive age group are affected by anemia, and the most common cause is iron deficiency anemia. Now, what are the symptoms of anemia? 1. There is paleness. Face, palms, and tongue become paler. There is shortness of breath. Our lungs are trying to compensate for the low oxygen supply by increasing the respiratory rate. Like lungs, heart also tries to compensate for the decreased oxygen supply by increasing the heart rate, which is evident in the form of palpitations, wherein one can feel their own heartbeat. There can be fatigability, dizziness, drowsiness, excessive sleep, increased risk of infections, brittle nails, and there can be also excessive hair loss. If a person is suffering from iron deficiency anemia, their nails can be in the form of spoon, which is called as koilonychia. In children, anemia can lead to symptoms like impaired growth and development and a condition called pica, wherein they start eating inedible substances like soil. A simple complete hemogram test can help in diagnosing anemia. But to understand what type of anemia is present, one might need additional tests like peripheral blood smear, iron profile, or vitamin B12. So, what are the treatment options in anemia? This essentially depends on the cause. Since the most common cause is iron deficiency anemia, treatment is iron replacement. This can be in oral form or injectable form. Oral form is better compliant with the patients, but there are certain disadvantages like decreased absorption and side effects like gastritis, pain abdomen, altered color of the stools, constipation or diarrhea. But in majority of the patients, these symptoms improve after few days of usage of medication. Injectable form is given in patients who are unable to tolerate these side effects or who are unable to take the oral medication, and they are more effective than oral forms. Diet that can help in improving hemoglobin levels include red meat because of the abundance of iron, dark green leafy vegetables like spinach, seafood like fish and shrimp, green peas, legumes and beans, eggs, nuts and seeds like pistas. Remember, just by taking pomegranate juice or beetroot juice will not cure your iron deficiency anemia because these are not the rich sources of iron. Taking vitamin C supplements or vitamin C rich food along with iron will help in improving iron absorption. Also remember, animal source of iron is better absorbed than plant source. If you feel you are deficient in iron, you can take iron supplements. But it's always better to consult with a doctor and take supplements because iron excess can lead to toxicity. If you feel you have symptoms of anemia, do consult with a physician. Stay safe, take care.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.